Okay. Sorry for that. Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Let go of everything.
Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to be putting a bunch of random stuff in this microwave that we bought at the store.
Oh, I thought you bought it from Aldi!
So like we have all this stuff and so marshmallows, chip marshmallows, and here we go.
First test, big marshmallow. So, apparently, if you put this in a microwave, it's supposed to expand like 3 or 4 times its size.
We gotta see this. Okay. 3, 2, oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Look at that! Holly! Do you guys see this? Oh my god! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Look! Oh!
It's like shrinking
It's
back.
getting super small.
That was so cool.
That was amazing.
Okay, now we're gonna put chip bags in here.
So we gotta make sure it's all flat and perfect.
And these, it's supposed to shrink, so it'll be like this big when we're done.
Yeah. And like we can't get the perfect angles on the microwave, but we're gonna get as best as we possibly can.
Okay, are you
So
ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh! Turn off! Turn off!
Oh, it worked! It worked!
Oh! Look at this! Guys, look! It says Doritos. Wait, hang on. Let me focus this.
Whoa,
Hang on, you guys. It's kind of hard to focus.
that's so cool.
Doritos! Oh my gosh!
This is awesome!
It's the best thing ever. All right, so we're putting about like
A handful of giant marshmallows.
giant marshmallows. Well, they're gonna be like jumbo marshmallows in a second. All right, so speed up. I'm gonna put them in a nice circle.
Extra jumbo.
All right, it is a circle, and at the grand finale, we're gonna pour the whole bag in.
The whole bag of
The
that.
whole bag of this. So let's go. And 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's getting bigger.
They're getting bigger slowly.
Oh!
Oh my god, look at that one.
The middle one's the biggest. Oh! It's getting really big.
Look how big they are, guys. Look
We
how
can
big
honestly. Look at that one. Look at that one. Holy. Oh! It's gonna get like that. Oh my god, dude. You ready to turn it off? In 3, 2, 1.
Open it.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Dude, these are so good.
Oh my god, those.
Now it's like, remember how they weren't touching? Well, now they kind of are, except they get smaller after.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the best game ever.
Okay, so sorry if you hear talking in the background, but we're in a house, I mean.
Oh, I thought you were in the swimming pool.
Yeah.
So we're gonna fill a Cool Ass Doritos bag with marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Here we go. Good.
Alright, you guys. We're good. These marshmallows are not gonna be edible.
I don't know.
Actually, take a little bit out because
Yeah.
it's just gonna fall out. Okay. And just eat one. Good. And, okay.
Okay, guys, you saw it. We still have it.
You saw what happened.
This little Doritos bag.
And we're gonna be putting it in this microwave filled with marshmallows.
Okay, sorry about that. But, okay, as we said before, it's full of marshmallows.
Marshmallows, Doritos bag. And this is gonna be the coolest thing ever.
Oh my gosh, I don't know what's gonna happen. What do you think's gonna happen?
I feel like it's gonna like, I honestly don't know. And go.
3,
2, 1.
oh god.
Go. Ah! Oh, what? Turn off, turn off, turn off.
Okay, stop.
Oh wait, what happened? Oh!
Wait, there's bubbles. I don't know if you guys can see that. You probably can't, but there's like bubbles all over the bag.
It's like popping. Oh, it's like. Oh wait, I gotta get a good angle of this.
Oh, it smells.
You guys see that? Look, I'm gonna zoom up on one of the bubbles. Do you see it? Oh my gosh. Why don't we say that at the same time? I'm eating chips right now. That came from this bag. And this is a more big bag than like this one. I mean like, open it. Just see the difference. Anyway. This one. I'm gonna fill it up.
Don't you have to flatten it?
No.
Okay.
And we're gonna turn it on. And 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. It almost started fire.
What the world? That one smells so bad. Dude! Should we keep doing this? That almost started fire. This is so cool!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, wait, let me take the camera. Dude, look! Oh wait. It's like, you can't even feel it. Oh wait. Oh, it still has the nutrition.
You gotta flatten it next time. Okay.
He's eating a marshmallow. We're always gonna be eating during this.
Maybe a Cheeto bag. Andy opened it upside down, I know.
It popped on the bottom.
Okay. Whatever you say. We're gonna fill it with big marshmallows.
And
Okay. Here we go, guys.
here we go. And we are gonna be putting
We're gonna
this
try to flatten
in
it
the
because,
microwave.
as you guys saw what happened last time.
Yeah. And
Go.
okay. All right. Now, what do the marshmallows do? Oh! It's exploding! Ah!
Oh my god.
Turn it off! Turn it off! It's like small and big. Guys, this is the weirdest.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So
Sorry.
we got them all along the tree. What?
Every marshmallow counts.
Go.
What is gonna happen? Do you see it expanding?
Yes, a little bit. It's easier to see.
Oh!
They're getting bigger.
Oh my gosh, they're gonna fall off the plate, dude.
Yeah, do it.
Okay, wait, leave it on for 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open it quick! Open it quick!
Well,
Now for the big marshmallows! Okay, so grand finale. One big
their actual grand finale.
That's the grand finale. We're joking. We're gonna put the
Best ever.
This is gonna be like smaller. Okay, wait.
Putting all of them in.
You butt! Okay, you guys. Hey, it's in. Now stop doing that. I think it's in. Yep. No. Wait. Sure. Yeah, it's on.
Push it that way.
Just turn this off. Say, oh. One. Oh! It's overflowing! Oh, here, wait, hold the camera.
Oh, that's hot.
And it stuck to your hand. Okay, Jackson's eating something because we were eating during this whole video. But that was so much fun.
Yeah, that was really fun.
Like,
I like the chip bag.
that chick bag. We obviously microwave chick. No, we would never do that. But
The logos, it was like really small.
it was like, I know, the logo was like Toby Towers. It was so cute. And Dude, the house almost lit on fire because we had to go in the Legos. It was so cool. And try to get this video to 20 likes. And there's a subscribe button down there. Just freaking hit it. And also go tell your friends about it. And we're giving a Kindle Fire away at 100 subs if you guys didn't see our other videos. And we hope to see you guys next time. Peace.
Closer.